Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the CAPAS Snorkel Fins. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you how it turned out. These snorkel fins have an open heel design, so there is more flexibility in the sizes as opposed to some of the other ones with a closed heel design. There is a heel strap in the back, which is adjustable and it can accommodate different sizes. And it also keeps the fins secure and tight on your feet, so it doesn't fall off when you're using it swimming. The heel strap has a clip-on mechanism on both sides where you can latch it in, and then we can pull the tail end to either tighten the fin, or you can pull the strap to loosen it up so it can fit snugly on our feet. The fins can be used either barefoot, or if you wanted to, you could also use fin socks or dive booties. Just keep in mind though that if you are using dive booties, you might need to get the next size up for the fins. To wear it, all we have to do is slide our feet into the fins, and then we can latch the strap in and adjust it accordingly. The actual size of these fins are almost 16 inches in length by a little over 7 inches wide by about 3 inches in height, which is nice and compact, making it easy to take while traveling. It is also lightweight, so it is nice and convenient to take with you on your trips. There are a few different colors and sizes to choose from, such as black, blue, green, purple, and I think they also have a red one. So you have a few options to get for your next trip to the pool or a fun tropical destination. It also works really well if you have multiple family members like I do, and you might need different color fins for each person. The one I have here is green, smaller medium size. Overall, I really like how easy it is to use, as well as the compact and lightweight design, making it very convenient to take around wherever I go. And the adjustability of the size with the open heel design is a nice touch. If you are in the market for some swimming fins for your next pool or beach trip, or to give as a gift for birthdays, Christmas, or any other occasions, you'll definitely don't want to miss out on this.